Are you tired of late fees, missed payments, and that annoying monthly chore of manually paying your utility bill? Well, welcome to today's Explainer. We're going to completely simplify your life by mastering your MidAmerican Energy account. I'm going to show you exactly how setting up Autopay can save you time, stress, and money while totally securing your financial peace of mind. Let's get your utility billing completely automated. Okay, let's dive right into this. Here is our agenda for today. First, why choose Autopay? 2. The payment method catch. 3. Creating your account. 4. Digital Autopay setup. 5. Phone and paper alternatives. And finally, 6. Budget and landlord billing.
Section 1. Why choose Autopay?
Seriously, if you're sick of logging in every single month, hunting down your credit card, getting hit with random third-party processing fees, or worst of all, risking a ding to your credit score just because a bill slipped your mind, you are absolutely not alone. Handling monthly utility settlements manually is just an unnecessary headache. The operational and financial perks of MidAmerican Energy's automatic recurring payments program are honestly huge. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it hack. By linking your account, you literally eliminate the risk of late fees and delinquency. And here's the best part. When you set it up right, it is a completely zero-fee transaction pathway. Your payment is pulled exactly on the due date, meaning your cash stays in your bank account right up until the last second.
Section 2. The payment method catch.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is a massive limitation you need to know about. Take a look at this. You might be totally used to putting all your subscriptions on a fancy rewards credit card, right? Well, with MidAmerican Energy, you actually can't do that for recurring Autopay. Why? Utility providers run on incredibly tight margins. Eating a 1.5% to 3.5% interchange fee from credit card companies is just unsustainable for them. So while you can make one-time manual payments with a card or digital wallet for an extra fee, your free, automated, recurring Autopay is strictly limited to an ACH transfer directly from your checking or savings account.
Section 3. Creating your account. If you haven't set up your digital profile yet, it's the very first step. And don't worry, it's incredibly easy, even for total beginners. First, grab your latest paper bill or welcome email and find your utility account number. Then just head over to MidAmericanEnergy.com on your computer or download their official free mobile app. Click Create My Account. You literally just need your email and that account number. From there, you'll set up your highly secure login credentials to keep your personal data totally locked down.
Section 4. Digital Autopay Setup.
Building right off that last step, once you're logged in, just navigate to the home interface and click on Recurring Payments. The system's going to prompt you to add your banking details. This is where you punch in your bank's 9-digit routing transit number, your RTN, along with your checking or savings account number. Finally, you just authorize MidAmerican Energy to do the automatic debit on your due date, hit save, and you're done. It's that straightforward, and you can always jump back to this exact same menu later to update things if you switch banks. Section 5. Phone and paper alternatives. Not a fan of the web portal? No problem. Let's compare your offline options. If you want a super fast setup without using the internet, just call their customer line at 888-427-5632. Have your utility account number and bank routing details ready, and you can give verbal authorization right there on the spot. But then there's the slow route. You can download, print, and snail mail a paper form to Davenport, Iowa. Since actual humans have to manually enter your data here, there is a distinct processing lag. If you go paper, it's absolutely crucial that you keep making manual payments until your physical monthly statement explicitly says your bill will be auto-drafted.
Section 6. Budget and landlord billing. Let's talk about budget billing. If you live somewhere with freezing winters or scorching summers, you know your utility bills can be all over the place. To prevent those sharp seasonal price spikes, budget billing uses a rolling 24-month historical profile of energy prices and your usage to figure out an averaged, predictable monthly payment. Combine that with your new ACH Autopay, and it is a total game changer for budgeting. You'll know the exact dollar amount leaving your checking account every single month, all year round.
And this brilliantly illustrates how property managers and businesses can completely ditch their administrative headaches too. Got 3 or more commercial accounts? Summary billing rolls them into one single monthly statement and one single ACH draft. Also, the My Landlord account feature is fantastic. It automatically rolls the utility service right back into the landlord's name the second a tenant moves out. Any energy used while the place is empty is paid via your pre-configured ACH, so your properties never lose power or heat during the transition. So the big takeaway is this. Automating your utility bill is basically one of the easiest ways to reclaim your time and protect your credit. Are you ready to set it, forget it, and get that financial peace of mind? Go log into your MidAmerican Energy account today and get that checking account linked. Oh, and just a quick professional disclaimer before we go. This explainer is based on information available as of today. MidAmerican Energy's processes and policies might change over time, so always consult their official resources or customer service for the absolute latest info. Thanks so much for joining me today. Now go take control of your accounts.